The Sound of Your Heart. The Sound of Your Heart is a hilariously quirky Korean sitcom based on the popular webtoon, and it doesn't disappoint. Lee Kwang-soo delivers a standout performance as Jo Seok, a hapless cartoonist whose awkwardness and over-the-top reactions are the heart of the show. Young So-min shines as A-bong, his bold and spirited girlfriend, balancing his antics with her own brand of chaos. The supporting cast is just as memorable. Jo Seok's hilariously clueless father, his no-nonsense mother, and his overly competitive brother add layers of absurdity that make the family dynamic both relatable and wildly entertaining. The series excels in turning everyday situations into comedic gold, with exaggerated humor and cartoonish visual gags staying true to the webtoon. While its slapstick style may not be for everyone, the characters' charm and the show's playful energy make it a must-watch. If you're looking for a fun, lighthearted binge, The Sound of Your Heart is a guaranteed laugh riot.
난 잘하는 게 없다. 항상 그랬다. 공부는 당연히 못했고.
야 꼴등? 와 진짜 대박이다 너. 빨리 될거 아니야?
반드시 이긴다. 무조건. 여튼 그게 나다.
엄마 신분증 요 앞에 나와서 간장 하나 하고.
엄마 내가 그렇게 할 일이 없어 보여?
어